Well, hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack and, of course, my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam, standing out alongside a very busy roadway. It's Nolensville Road, located in the community of Nolensville, Tennessee, which is actually a suburb of the Nashville, Tennessee area. Why am I here? Well, I'm continuing my quest to cross this entire region and find the best Nashville hot chicken out there. I've already been to 2 or 3 places over the last month or two. They've all been excellent. They've all been highly recommended, and usually a lot of folks know about the ones I've been to. This one, however, today flies a little bit under the radar, so to speak, out here at Nolensville, but it does not disappoint. Okay, now we reveal what's the place called. Well, it is called Outlanders. That's right, home of Southern Chicken, and did I mention apparently you can get your car repaired here as well. That's right, there's an auto repair service out back. But we didn't come here to get our car fixed, we came here for some Nashville hot chicken. And there you can see it's a really cool looking chicken joint there. They've also got a big old porch there where you can eat outdoors. But of course, it's a cold January day, so I went inside to check out some Nashville hot chicken. Now, as a general rule, I like my chicken on the bone. But here the specialty is tenders. And I went with the recommendation from the server. I had the 3 chicken tender dinner, or slash lunch as it was this time. Comes with a side of fries, some pickles, piece of Texas toast, and I washed it down with some unsweet iced tea. Might mention what makes this place kind of special though is, first of all, the chicken nice and spicy, but they have about 10 different dipping sauces you can choose from. Now I picked one, the habanero, and then I picked the Alabama white. Both were absolutely outstanding. Not necessarily needed though, because the chicken was nice and spicy and crispy and good. How good, you ask? Well, if we're putting it on, say, that star scale of 1 to 5, I give this place easily between 4 and 5 stars. Service is friendly, it's quick, and the value, pretty darn good. I got out of here for less than 15 bucks, and that included a nice tip. Always tip your servers. And again, it's a great atmosphere as well. The place again is called Outlanders. And again, it is just terrific. And if you're looking for it again, it is just off of Nolensville Road here in Nolensville, Tennessee. It's going to be easy to figure out how to find it. Just put it in your Google Maps and it should not be a problem. So as we always say, until we see you next time, be sure and share this. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell anybody you know to subscribe to our channel. That, of course, being Traveling with Jack and Pam. And until we see you next time, have a great day and a better tomorrow. Bye now.